Hello guys, new tutorial. I am going to show you how to install Cinnamon 3.4 on Ubuntu 16.04. Okay, first we must add the repository. So let's open terminal and copy this. Please add sudo and press enter to continue. Now we must update. So let's take this, sudo apt-get update, and finally apt-get install Cinnamon, and let's add sudo, and yes to continue, and start to download and install. Please wait. Anyway, you will find this command on the description of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow our news. Okay, the installation is finished now. Let's log out and log in with the new desktop, Cinnamon. Okay, let's restart and log in again, and let's choose the Cinnamon desktop, and let's log in now. Please wait. So this is Cinnamon. So I hope that it was helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.